welcome guys, back with another video. We're playing Boost only because I haven't been posting in a very long time. So yeah, I'm gonna choose this ancient strategy that I found it. So let's go. Alright, first match, Ace Kitty. Played this guy a lot of time. This guy is mostly trash. Always loses on span T0. Well, should not lose to him, but let's see. If I lose to them, just not sleeping right. I've been sleeping. Yeah, I haven't been sleeping. Damn. So I think I already found my heli spot. Okay, he might go NG. Let's see. He might anti-stall. Okay. Okay, he doesn't anti-stall. That's crazy. He doesn't play the farm either. That's crazy. He does place a farmer. Now I'm going for a heli. I'm just gonna go like that, and then wait. Actually, let's try to not anti-stall at all. Let's just put it right here. Maybe right here, right? Yeah, right here. It shouldn't leak. It should take out all the balloons while anti-stalling. Okay, he does also go for heli. That's pretty nice. He has to go for quad darts. He's also kind of chasing. I'm getting to quad darts because I'm getting that vibes where he's gonna send me blues. Scares me. Alright, send him blues. Alright, he has to get quad darts, alright. But yeah, now he's gonna chase. Now he's gonna spike or boost. Either one that. He's gonna have to leak. He's gotta, chase. It's interesting. He still haven't really just... Yeah, he needs to put another heli. That's why, putting heli first is pretty much better. I mean, if you had ice, you put ice, but if you have glue, yes, glue. So, glue, I think you just, greed, right? Yeah. So, if he sends me greens here, when it comes to, right here, I will boost. So, it shouldn't be a big problem. I'm just going to keep sending. Alright, here I think I'm gonna stop. Because beware, he might send me a little rush. I'm just not. Let's just put it right here. Alright, we already got ready. Let's just send one last send. Oh my god. That strat. I actually don't really know much about the strat. Gonna put my village right here. I'm gonna bait him to send me leads. Send me leads. Like that. And get this. Yeah, the only problem I'm not really getting that much egos because he's anti-stalling. So I'm gonna get this up. I need to have enough money for that 0.50. Yeah, he gets that camel up. I mean, if he sends me camel, I have to get that camel. Let's see. Is he? If he's not, then I'm not gonna do anything. Wait, he's kind of sending something. I am not gonna get camel defense. He forces me to. I didn't have to. Man. Glitch is not the point to get quad darts. It's the point to get like this upgrade. So not enough money. One last eco. And 1, 2, 3. This might be risky, but yeah, I have to place this down. Oh, I'm leaked. Oh wait, I didn't leak. That's amazing. I don't know. Let's see. Do I like win here? I mean, from what I can tell, probably he tries to send me a camel rush. It doesn't work. Yeah, around 70, like. No. Yeah, sending Moab's not worth it. Sending Moab's not worth it. He can just kind of bionic. I think he has enough money for beyond bionic. I just can't tell because yeah, you always cannot tell. That's why like boomerang is so complicated. Oh, what? What? No, wait, boost. Why did he? Oh my god, bro, that was a shock. Oh my god, bro, what? Oh my god, bro, what was that? I didn't boost that. I don't know why. Did he survive? No, he didn't. Okay, GG's. That was actually very close. I actually didn't expect that rush. That was well done. That was well done. Oh my god, that. Let me just screenshot it to Apple to Mom's Life real quick. All right. So next game. All right, we're against Sid Hand. So I expect this guy to be like a CC level. I should be able to defeat this map. I don't think it's very viable. It's just pretty short. Farmyard, yes, farmyard, perfect. Yeah, it's literally just perfect. Alright, this guy's just yapping. I know this guy. He's my friend. He's saying stuff that literally annoys me. I don't even know how he's gonna get married. Alright. So let's try to anti-stall. Usual, I think we must put the spot. Okay. Wow. Okay, he straight goes for it. He immediately goes for it. Alright, let's force him to get the mortar. Why is he literally doing that? Bro, can somebody off? I don't know how to off my notifications, by the way. If you're wondering, like, why doesn't Lockbolt off his notifications? It's so annoying. I'm here to watch a video, not to see yapping. Alright, yeah, he's yapping. Thanks for proving my point, guys. He always likes to yap. Like, bro, I don't understand why that guy like literally like always talks shit. He never talks like good stuff. Like, bro's name is called talking shit. Yeah, I think bro's just not. Bro, you're supposed to get a second Cobra up. What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Nah, bro. Where's your second Cobra? Where's your second Cobra? That's what I'm asking. Where's your second Cobra? I think anybody with a very big ass brain, bigger than his, already knows what to do. Like, bro. Yeah, he's trying to send me those to like, he's trying to like overwhelm me, so like I have to like defend like really hardly. But yeah, it seems that okay, now the star boost. He's not even trying to hide his disadvantage. Let's send him blacks. Let's spike 2 times because I'm overwhelmed a lot. And he dies. Okay, we're playing one more game. This is all these games kinda like joking right now. So next game. Oh wait, oh sorry. Alright, next game against Future. Okay, this map. It's kinda interesting. I'm sure I also think I can play with this map because like that circle in the middle, pretty nice. NG question mark? She's gonna play NG. Yup, I'm gonna cry. He's anti-stalling. Yeah, that's not what I like. I'm gonna place Heli down. You don't know why I don't want to like. Once he stops sending reds, I will put my heli in the back and make sure that I anti-stall at all times because like I want to anti-stall like seriously, right? Like, seriously, let's anti-stall. I'm a menace when it comes to anti-stall. I gotta anti-stall. That's what my brain always says. Yeah, he probably didn't expect like a heli like that. Bro, I accidentally got like I actually got the no, why did it lock in place? I mean, I didn't touch. Yeah, so I already like messed up. So like I fucking hate this. Somebody's watching. That's crazy. That was the one who's watching, bro. Like that's crazy. Let's see, is he gonna send me anything? Yeah, he's gonna send me a good boost. He's gonna send me a lot. That's what? That is not a lot. That is not a lot at all. Wow. Alright, 460 eco. Yeah, that's actually a real pain. Like, I literally, like, just stole my money. Accidentally stole my money. I'm gonna put this right here and keep going. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared that this guy sends me, like, stuff. I'm just gonna save up a little bit money. Just white eco. For no reason. Yup. No, my fucking god, bro. Oh no, man. Oh, bro, why this unlucky? Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. No way. This is the second time. This is the second time, actually. This is the second time. This is a second time, bro. This is actually a second time, bro. This is actually a second time, bro. This is like actually the second time, bro. I ain't fucking anymore, bro. Yeah, I'm selling one. I'm selling one. What? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Let's beat. Oh my fucking god, I've been tricked. I've been tricked into thinking. Wait, spike. Alright. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Let me think. He actually wasted all his boost there, which is nice for me. The only thing's not nice for me is like, I'm still like all my money. Is that possible? I don't know. It is possible. Let's just like get this up. Alright. What? Alright. Yeah, I'm handling this very, very coldly. It's pretty like crazy. So what I think I need to do? How do I win this? He sells a farm. He gets a farm. Okay, that guy's not watching anymore. Get this. I'm strong. Let's see. Yeah, he can easily defend that, right? But what I need to do, I think, yeah, I just greed, right? Just greed. He's also greeding. Wow. He's also greeding, which is crazy. Strong. His strat is not supposed to go late, right? Is his strat supposed to go late? I'm gonna like go this. I'm scared of camels. If camels leak through, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to prevent that next round. I'm gonna try to make him sell something next round. Don't fuck up any crates. Like, don't miss any crates or anything. I'm not boosting that. I mean, I can boost that, but I'm actually saving like all my boost for no reason. Actually, very stupid to actually like. See ya. Oh, yep, so that's it. Yeah, you don't go greedy, bro. Don't go greedy, man. Don't go greedy, man. This is the second one. This is the second one. Come on. Come on, bro. This is the second one. This is the second one. Oh my god. Bro, how much people are gonna lack? Like, you guys don't understand how like easy is a potential for you to like beat Apple. All you need to do is just like be good. Like, don't like ever feel nervous, because if you feel nervous, like there's something gonna like go through your mind, you know, like it's like saying, I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't do this at all. This is just gonna make me lose. You don't want to think of that. You want to think like, oh wait, okay, I'm winning this. Because like there's one thing you need to like expect, like everything that he does wrong. Like, you can't expect him just because he's the best player, he's gonna do everything right. So like when you see like a very good player with a lot of medallions, you're gonna think like, oh, I'm probably gonna lose this, but I'm probably gonna win. That's what you should think. So see you all for next time. Peace out. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, peace out.